Rightio, I'm just going to show you. I'm going to have another go at my hinge. Let me turn that off a second to show you this. I'm going for 532, 1100. Actually, I'm going to take that down to 1000 because it was it's on the inside of my arm and it's a bit delicate there, you know. So that's what we're going to zap at with the 532 on my hinge. Right, here we go. So hope you can hear me all right. Let's get my glasses on. We're going at it a bit too early, I reckon, but the thing is, the last time I did it, I did it with the 1034, is it? You know, the other tip. And that's for black ink. Well, once you've done it once, it goes a lighter colour. Let's get this down a minute. Water flow to the front. Yeah, the tattoo goes a lighter colour. Now, you need, for the lighter colours, a different tip. So, we're going to have a go with this. Hope you can see okay. It's the best I can do, really. See, I've done it again. You must remember to switch the machine on because it puts out a little tiny laser so you can see what you're doing. You can't see the laser. A little red dot. So you can see it now. See the frosting's back. Yeah, that's it. That's what we want to see. See, we didn't get this with the what is it, 1032, 1054. We didn't get this frosting with that, so. Does sting a bit, especially here on the inside. See there. I was probably drunk when I did it. There's a lot of things when I was drunk. Woo! I think I've got it all, looks like, doesn't it? I'm going to call that the wind here. Yeah, we'll leave it at that for now. And then we'll come back in a few weeks' time to check on it, but it's definitely done the frosting, so it should have done something. Okay, that's your update. Thanks for watching. Ooh, now I'll put everything away. Hope you caught that.